Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove the members area from your Wix website. This is particularly useful if you've decided you no longer need membership functionality on your site, or if you're restructuring how you manage user access. Before we dive in, if you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your dashboard, look at the left navigation menu where you'll find various management options. Click on Site and Mobile App, and a drop-down selection will appear. From this menu, go ahead and click on Website. This will take you to an overview of all your Wix sites. From here, you'll be able to see all the websites associated with your Wix account. Take a moment to locate the specific website where you want to remove the members area. This step is important if you manage multiple sites, as you'll want to make sure you're working on the correct one. Once you've identified your website, locate the Design Site button at the top part of your screen. You'll typically find this button positioned beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Click on this button to proceed. This action will redirect you to the Wix Harmony Editor screen, which is where you'll make the actual changes to your site's structure. Now that you're in the Wix Harmony Editor, it's time to access your members area page directly. Click on the Page drop-down menu located at the top left corner of your website interface. This menu displays all the pages on your site. From the left side menu that appears, locate the Members Area section. You'll notice a three-dot icon next to the Members Area section header. Click on those three dots, and from the options that appear, select Delete Members Area. This is the critical step that initiates the removal process. After clicking that option, a confirmation message will appear on your screen. It's important to read through and review this message carefully before proceeding, as deleting the members area is a significant change that will affect how users interact with your site. If you're certain you want to continue and remove the members area completely, simply click on Yes, Delete. Once you confirm, the members area will be removed from your Wix website. And that's it. You've successfully removed the members area from your Wix website, giving you a cleaner site structure that better matches your current needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.